Hello, welcome, where we seek to educate, challenge, and inspire you on your journey of construction. My name is Sam Wanyoike. We have been taking you through a number of videos talking about various construction methods. Indeed, it has been an exciting journey, and we want to appreciate the much input that you have been making. We have received massive support, love, comments, and also suggestions that you have been sharing to us. Some of you have taken time to reach out to us directly via email, and we have been able to have a chat. In today's show, I would want to address on a few questions that have been raised from some of you touching on some previous videos. Someone had asked a question regarding foundation. Thank you for the question. And the question was, how deep and how wide and how long can I be able to do a strip foundation that will be stable for your building? Well, thank you for that question. I would want to say that a strip footing is the foundation for the masonry walling. Normally, the length doesn't matter. The length of a strip footing is dependent on the length of the walling itself. The width and the depth are affected by the soil condition. Normally, we would advise you to do a minimum of 4 feet or 1.2 meters, and if at all the ground is really stable, you can do 1 meter. In other situations, foundation can go as deep as 2 meters. Depending on the soil condition, the depth will be varying for the footing. Also, for the width, we normally use a width of 2 feet or 600 millimeters for strip footing to support a 200 millimeter of a wall. In as much that this is the standard, I would also say that the width will be affected not only by the soil, but also how big your building is. If you are doing a few floors, like 1 or 2, 2 feet will be okay for a normal soil like red soil or marram. However, for black cotton, the concept is a bit different. And you can go to our previous video that we have talked on how you can do foundation when you are having a black cotton soil. In case you are doing a building that has more than 3 floors or 3 or more floors, it will be good to have it designed because the footing would be wider than the 600 millimeters, and especially if the walls are load bearing and maybe you do not have columns. But in case you have columns, the columns can help to take in much of the load that would otherwise have gone to the walls, and therefore reduces the width of your footing. You can make it 600 or 700 or 800, but I would advise you to have a design done for the same. Another person has requested us to talk about interlocking blocks and concrete wall panels, and I would want to appreciate that comment that has been raised. I would want to urge you to keep on viewing our videos, for we shall be talking about the alternate technologies that are used in construction, that is interlocking blocks, the concrete wall panels, beam and block, and so on. I would ask you to subscribe, to like, share the videos, and keep on viewing for more of this. If you have any comment, any suggestion, or any question, kindly reach out to us and we'll be glad to respond. You can also contact us via the email address that is shared below, and we'll be glad to have a deeper interaction. Before I move out, I would also want to say this, that soon and very soon we shall be having a live stream. We'll notify you on the date of the same prior to the live stream. Here we shall have a direct engagement, answering questions as they come, and we shall have a good interactive session. Thank you for today.